If you thought Nano Banana 1 was really good, then Nano Banana 2 is going to blow your mind. That first version and the Pro version were already pretty fast and very powerful, but Nano Banana 2 just feels way more stable, more consistent. Now, the biggest upgrade right now is consistency. If you generate a character or a product or something, and there are multiple elements, Nano Banana 2 actually keeps things much more coherent and consistent. So faces don't randomly morph, objects don't really shift positions, and you can iterate on images without them falling apart. That alone makes it way more practical for branding, mockups, storyboards, product visuals, icons, elements, logo variations, and so much more. It's still very fast like the Nano Banana Pro, but times 2. You're not going to be waiting around for heavy renders. You can experiment quickly, refine quickly, and explore ideas a lot faster as opposed to just babysitting a progress bar. Now, the best part for you is that Nano Banana 2 is in Kittl right now. You can be testing it. Everything I just showed you was done in Kittl. All of the different variations, all of the images that were flashing up on the screen are done in Kittl, along with our other extremely powerful tools like Kittl Flows or our Remix or even our generative AI video models that you can use from your generations that you make with Nano Banana 2. So if you've been using Nano Banana 1 and loving it, then definitely give Nano Banana 2 a try. It's ready for you in Kittl. If you're new, go ahead and use the link down below to sign up. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.